In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Google Chrome bookmarks bar in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick and easy fix if you want a cleaner browser window, more screen space, or just a more minimal look while you browse. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and options. After you click the three dots, move your cursor down to Bookmarks and Lists. This section contains everything related to saved bookmarks, bookmark folders, and bookmark display settings. When the Bookmarks and Lists menu opens, look for the option that says Hide Bookmarks Bar. Go ahead and click that option. As soon as you do that, the bookmarks bar will disappear from the top of your Chrome window. If you ever want to bring it back later, you can follow the same steps and turn it back on again. It's that simple. This is one of those small Chrome settings that can make a big difference if you wanted a cleaner browsing experience or more room on your screen, especially on smaller laptops. So to recap, click the three dots menu, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Hide Bookmarks Bar. That will remove the bookmarks bar instantly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.